Watem Lifts and Electrical Systems Limited. We are agents of Shuzu Zinda Elevator Company, Stroke Canning Elevator Company. I would like to talk about possibilities that we've got for elevators that we have recently designed to cater for situations where you don't have three-phase voltage supply. Shuzus in the elevator, stroke canning elevators have got controls that can work on single phase and be able to supply three-phase to the elevator motor. Usually, the normal way is three-phase coming in to supply the elevator panel, and then of course the elevator panel would then supply the three-phase to the electric motor driving the elevator. In this case, we have an advanced drive which can only receive single phase. That's just 240 volts, and it is able to convert that single phase into three phase and supply the electric motor for the elevator with three phase. So that kind of adaptation is available, and it suits most clients who do not probably have a capacity to have three phases in their building. Usually, three phases are designed for a certain size of building. Usually, domestic buildings usually have single phases, and then they have a challenge when they need to put an elevator in there. Then they need to have a three-phase, and they need to have a voltage transformer to supply the building with three-phase. Then they are assured of the three-phase. In this case, Shuzu Zinda Stroke Honey have got the solution. We can supply you with an elevator which uses a single phase, and the single phase is able to run the three-phase motor, which is actually running the elevator. So you don't experience any disadvantage of any nature, whether you have three phases in the building or you have single phase only. You can still have the elevator supply. We can give you at least 1,000 kgs for single phase elevators. We have supplied them in Uganda, or supplied some in South Sudan. So look, the same controller is adaptable for either single phase or three phase. So the customers, we have made provisions to take care of your demands. Yeah, so that is it. At least for the home lifts, you have quite a number of. We have given quite a number of solutions, starting from the size of the pit, going to the supply voltage. You see, all this has been to favor that, and more so now we can also supply you an elevator without the counterweight, just also to maximize on your space, to comfort and all that. So this is the control panel, and that is the, and then look, it is the completely glass shaft, glass, and this is aluminium, aluminium, aluminium. Okay, this is the counterweight is at the back. The counterweight is at the back. Hey, and the floor is just like that. There's no pit. There's no pit. No pit. I've been having problems with customers who don't have pits. Wow. Wow. This is interesting.
I've never seen one like this. This is my first time to see one without a pit.
这个光栅尺主要是留什么呢？因为它考虑到它取消好多线位嘛，对，然后安全起见这都取消掉了嘛，所以它干净，对，干净。
Oh, go Mr. Lee, you're in here. Oh, look at the ceiling. The ceiling is just wonderful. Wow, I've never seen a lift without a shaft. I mean, without a peak. The first one I'm seeing. So it recognizes your voice.
Yeah.
Any voice, anybody, or just a particular person?
Anybody.
Anybody.
Just a Chinese.
Oh, Chinese language. Oh yes. Oh yes.
我要去1楼，好多都是有这个，现在都有这个。
It's like you're saying, take me down.
Yeah, 我说I want to go to the first floor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, understand.
Voice activation call. Anti-explosion. And it is a geared machine. This same. Okay. And this is the controller, right?
Yeah.
This is the controller.
Yeah.
For this. Okay. So this is a special purpose lift.
Yeah.
Special purpose lift for nuclear areas, nuclear energy.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh.
Anti-explosion 这个也挺快啊，这个是1.75米每秒的吗？
It sounds
没有，能感觉到那个大概的速度。
小王，你我这看起来11楼要出头了。
我还记得这个是语音呼吸的。
对。
要3楼。
你看看，光好地。
方言。不是方言。
生一个就行。
So this is the interior of a home lift, 400 kgs with the LCD panel. You can see interior. Finishing there, and then the whole call. Wow, it was a soft ride, very soft ride, and you can't feel the movement of the lift. You can't feel the starting. Yeah, this is a home lift interior design. This is cord lift. This is a plain wood. Plain wood. Yeah, people like plain wood with this kind of finish. Yes, they like it so much. That's very good. Very good. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, this is gold and this is silver.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay.